Hey guys, good morning. So today I wanted to do a video all about baby-led weaning. I get a lot of questions about baby-led weaning, so I figured I'd just show you guys what exactly I do for a whole day of baby-led weaning. So Knox is currently getting his first meal. That's why I look like this. I just woke up. It is 6 o'clock. So typically when I first get up, that's what I do is I nurse him, and then he will take a nap within like a half hour. He'll wake up again, I'll nurse him, and then I'll wait a little bit, and then we will eat breakfast. I was really confused what baby-led weaning even was. Honestly, I'd never even heard of it. My plan was to just feed him purees, but then someone on Instagram told me about it, so I looked into it and I was very interested. There's a lot of, good benefits behind baby-led weaning. I'll put on the screen. My oldest son, when he was little, they didn't do baby-led weaning. I gave him baby food, and he's honestly the pickiest eater. Currently, he's almost 13. So with Knox, I wanted to try something different, and yeah, so whether you choose to feed your baby food, purees, baby-led weaning, only milk, totally up to you. This is just my experience with baby-led weaning that I wanted to share with you guys. I don't think there's really a right or wrong. Oh, bless you. Got a milk dribble. We watch Blue's Clues every morning when we get up. Okay, it is 6:45 and here's his first nap. Okay, he's up. It is 9:10. Good morning. Okay, so I give him a little bit more milk, and then after he's done eating, I'm gonna go ahead and make his breakfast and show you guys what we usually do for that. So this plate is what we use to eat off of. He's pretty much outgrown this. I need to get a new one, but this is what we are using for now. So for breakfast today, I'm gonna fix him some pancakes, not fresh ones. This is what I'm making for him today. He really loves these. This brand is really good. They have a lot of good foods, but these are the apple and sweet potato pancakes. Then with his pancakes, we're gonna do a banana. So this is what they look like. They are super small, super cute, and you just pop them in the microwave.
So here I am cutting Knox's banana into small pieces. I do small pieces with all of his food because I don't want him to choke. He has choked before. He's gotten food stuck. I've had to take my finger and get it out of his throat, and it was terrifying. So now I just tear everything up into small pieces just so I don't have to deal with that again. And he only has 2 teeth, so we do the best we can. And then I'm just going to take the banana, mix it in. He doesn't care. And then I am going to take a little bit of sugar-free syrup, and I'm just going to put that in to add a little sweetness.
Do you know there's food? Say, feed me. So it does get kind of messy when he feeds himself, but a lot of it falls into his bib, as you can see, and he will just pick it out. And he will literally eat all of this, which is crazy. So I figured I'd share with you some other breakfast ideas that we do. Sometimes we'll do eggs. He really loves eggs, but only if they are runny. He's picky about his eggs, so we'll do runny eggs. We'll do peanut butter and jelly toast. We used to do avocado toast, but now he doesn't like avocados, which is strange. He used to love them, but he's getting a little pickier, which is funny to see. We'll do waffles. We'll do pancakes like we're doing today. We'll do oatmeal mixed with like breast milk and some fruit. I mean, the options for his breakfast are endless. I do always include a fruit just because he loves fruit so much, whether it's strawberries, peaches, tangerines, berries, whatever. Okay, so when we first started out baby-led weaning, I get this question a lot. Weren't you afraid of choking? Aren't you afraid of choking? Absolutely. And I didn't know how he would do with the food. So we started out with this little mesh pacifier. Just looks like this. And I would stick fruit in there, I would stick veggies in there, just to kind of get him used to the taste and the texture of real food. So we used this for a little bit. Then once we got the pacifier down, I would give him something like this. I'd give him some oatmeal, and I would take a masher and mash up very finely bananas or strawberries, almost like it was a puree. I would make it the same consistency of the oatmeal so that it would be easy for him to swallow. So then I'd give him like potatoes, mash them up very well. That was kind of the next step. It wasn't necessarily purees, but it was very soft food that he would not choke on. So once he got the hang of the mesh pacifier and he got the hang of like really soft mashed foods, then I moved on to foods where I could cut them up very finely to see how he would do. And I mean, that would be literally anything: chicken, salmon, noodles, peas, carrots, and I would cook them regularly. So whatever we were eating, I would give to him. Sometimes I would have to kind of tweak it, but I would cut everything up into small pieces. I still do, because I still worry about him choking, and don't let that scare you. It scared me, but I just stayed right by his side and made sure, you know, if he was choking, that I would be in there to scoop it out or do the Heimlich or whatever I needed to do. So he finished his banana, whole banana. He finished those 4 pancakes, and now I gave him some raspberries and he's eating those.
So this right here is the worst part of baby-led weaning. It makes such a mess, and you have to do this 3 times a day. So fun stuff. So here's my messy kitchen before and then after, and the right-hand corner looks haunted.
He is so fussy, so he's gonna go take a nap, wake up, and we will eat some lunch. I'm gonna get started on little man's lunch since he ate not too long ago. He only slept like an hour. I'm not gonna bother feeding him milk. You can see this brand again. So this is macaroni. He loves this. It has veggies hidden inside. So I'm gonna give him this, and we'll figure out what else to give him. And then I think I'm gonna give him like a turkey sandwich. So here's the yogurt that we use. It's the organic Yo Baby. He loves this stuff. Feed it to him, because if he feeds it to himself, it's super messy.
So we like to use Dave's Killer Bread. This has a lot of good whole grains, seeds, proteins, fibers in it. So that's what we use. And this is the turkey we use. So I'm just putting this on top. And I'm just going to fold it in half and then use some scissors to cut it up into small bite-sized pieces for him. And then just stirring in the cheese for his macaroni. Mom hack: if your food is too hot and your baby is cranky, just put an ice cube in all around and it cools it off.
Yummy.
So I'm going to show you guys some other things we eat. He loves these organic grass-fed meatballs. He loves these chicken nuggets. I try to buy everything organic or without antibiotics. We love frozen fruits, frozen veggies, especially the steamable veggies that you just plop right in the microwave. Super easy and convenient when you don't have fresh fruits and veggies.
So he ate everything that I put on his plate and the rest of his turkey sandwich. Look at him digging in his food, trying to find more. Usually he'll try to grab the spoon. Yep. See, is that all done?
So now, the second time of the day, we are cleaning ourselves up and cleaning the high chair. He hates this part. And you can see we have nice little helpers who help pick up some of the food, but that is why we clean it with a disinfecting spray. And yeah.
So it's 3 o'clock. I'm nursing. After I nurse him, I'm going to put him down for a nap. And then I'll probably feed him 2 more times the rest of the night. All right, so it is like 5:30. Knox woke up from his nap. He ate again. Well, this was like an hour ago. He's acting pretty hungry right now. So tonight's pizza.
So tonight we're just making a pizza. I'm taking some sauce, coating it nice and thoroughly, and then taking a spoon and just going around, spreading it, and then putting some cheese. We are being very generous with the cheese because we love cheese, and just adding some pepperonis. And then I steamed some broccoli, and I'm just cutting it up into small pieces with some scissors. And then I'm adding in his macaroni from earlier. He didn't eat all of it, so I'm just including the rest and including the pizza. And I do add ranch to his broccoli. Don't judge me.
He picks up so much food.
So this is frozen yogurt. We like to take frozen yogurt or frozen smoothies, put it in like a Tylenol dispenser, and then plop it onto some parchment paper, stick it in a freezer, and he loves this, especially for teething. And then here's the last and final time I'm cleaning up Knox and cleaning his high chair for the day.
Alright guys, so that is all I have for the video. I hope you found it interesting or maybe helpful, learned something. I put on the screen a couple of accounts that I follow that really helped me when starting with baby-led weaning and still help me to this day, give me like ideas and whatnot for food for him. If you have any tips or tricks for baby-led weaning or just, I don't know, anything, leave it down in the comments below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below as well. But yeah, if you want me to do more videos like these, I will definitely do so. I hope you liked it. So yeah, we will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! Bye guys. Say bye. Bye. Yay.